Dear students, today we are going to learn English alphabet. आज हम इंग्लिश के अल्फ़ाबेट और इंग्लिश के लेटर सीखने वाले हैं. My lovely students, today we are going to learn the new alphabet N. This is capital N and this is small n. We will see which word start with letter N and how to write N properly. लेटर एन स्टार्ट करने से पहले हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग. शैल वी बिगिन? लेट्स बिगिन. ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी एच आई जे के एल एम एन ओ पी क्यू आर एस टी यू वी डब्ल्यू एक्स वाई जेड. बहुत अच्छा सॉन्ग था ना ये. Let's repeat. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Very good. So dear student, this is letter N. N, capital N and small n. So we will see which words start with letter N. N is for nest. N is for nest. N is for net. N is for net. N is for nose. N is for nose. N is for nurse. N is for nurse. N is for nuts. N is for nuts. N is for nine. N is for nine. N is for ninja. N is for ninja. N is for nap. N is for nap. N is for numbers. N is for numbers. N is for notes. N is for notes. N is for noodles. N is for noodles. N is for nut. N is for nut. N is for nib. N is for nib. N is for noodles. N is for noodles. N is for news. N is for news. N is for necklace. N is for necklace. N is for needle. N is for needle. N is for notebook. N is for notebook. So dear students, we learned many words which start with letter N. Let's read with the phonic sound of N. What is the phonic sound of N? N. N की आवाज कैसी है? न की. न. न नेस्ट. न नेस्ट. न नेट. न नेट. न नोस. न नोस. न नर्स. न नर्स. न नट्स. न नट्स. न नाइन. न नाइन. न निंजा. न निंजा. न नैप. न नैप. न नंबर्स. न नंबर्स. न नोट्स. न नोट्स. न नूडल्स. न नूडल्स. न नट. न नट. न निब. न निब. न नूडल्स. न नूडल्स. न न्यूज़. न न्यूज़. न नेकलेस. न नेकलेस. न नीडल. न नीडल. न नोटबुक. न नोटबुक. So dear students, these words begin with letter N. So we will see how to write letter N. First we will draw a standing line, then one slanting line, and then standing line. This is capital N. This is capital N. And how to write small n? First draw a little bit curve, then standing line, and second curve, and then standing line. This is small n. कैपिटल n कैसे लिखना है? आपको एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाना है, एक स्लैंटिंग लाइन और एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन. दिस इज कैपिटल n. स्मॉल n कैसे बनाना है? आपको कर्व बनाना है, फिर उसको नीचे तक लेकर आना है, सेकंड कर्व बनाना है इसको टच करके, और उसको भी नीचे तक लाना है. दिस इज स्मॉल n. वेरी इजी, वेरी सिंपल. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स सी how to write capital and small n properly. We will trace these dots and write n. Write on 3 lines. This is capital N. Make sure touch to 3 lines and small n between 2 lines. This is capital N. N is for nut. 3 lines में capital N आपको ट्रेस करना है like this, और सेकेंड लाइन से स्टार्ट करके आपको स्मॉल n बनाना है. Make sure write only between 2 lines. Small n write only between 2 lines and capital N on 3 lines. Understood? Very easy, very simple. So dear students, write properly on 3 line, the capital N on 3 line and the small n between 2 lines. Understood? So dear students, we learned the letter N and the words which start with letter N, and we also learned to write capital and small n properly. So please like the video and don't forget to share with your friends. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe. We will meet in the next video with next letter O. Till then, keep learning, keep watching. Bye bye. Thank you.